Sparky Sparks here. Thanks for joining me today on this live. We're going to talk about Zara in two shades. We've got Shaded Praline or 12 FS8 and also Malibu Blonde. But I want to show you what I do with this gal. I've had her for about a year and I like to wear her. She's been through a lot because I wear her a lot to golf in the summer. And you think long hair in the summer, how can you? Well, the way this is constructed, it's just lightweight, and even though it's long, it's still cool. So I'll put her back in a pony like this, and then I like to put on my ball cap. And again, because she's so low density, I can wear the ball cap and really not have too much bulk. So that's kind of the cute look I go for. And then I want to show you Malibu Blonde. So another great color. Let's just take this one off. Well, we'll leave it in the ponytail. How about that? That's what oftentimes what I do when I'm golfing. I'll just leave a pre-styled wig in my locker. So after golf, I can just put on fresh hair. So this is Zara in Malibu Blonde. So she's a little bit of a warmer color on me. And the colors change, I think, on your skin tone, as we've seen with other models, right? It just changes with your skin tone, with the lighting. I'm in front of a window. And again, this is Malibu Blonde. I'm going to step back so you can see the whole length. I like to tuck her. I like the brightness around my face. Let me show you the back. Just a really pretty style. Zara is just gorgeous. Really something I wear all the time. I like the little layers here around the face. Super pretty. So I hope that's helpful. Zara in two colors. Again, this is Malibu Blonde. And then I started with Shaded Praline. I think this is my favorite now, though. And new hair right out of the box. Beautiful. Just gorgeous. Have a great day. Cheers.